Hello guys, so this is what we bought just now from Everwin deh.
Everwin. Minyak ada.
Yes. Minyak
Minyak
timbang.
Enggak jenis minyak.
Enggak jenis deh. Biong. Okay. So we reach home already guys. Reach home. Hello guys, so this is what we bought just now from Everwin. So we bought egg and then glow. Cooking oil. And they have the timbang one also, this one, the packet one, huh? Cooking oil in the packet there. So we bought 2 packets. Then sedap, Maggi, Milo. And then mie goreng. Cream cracker, chili sauce, then sugar, corn in the pan, smiling fish sardine with tomato sauce with chili, and then this one is sardine. Sardine in tomato sauce, and then kacang panggang dalam sos tomato, ayam masak merah deh, merah, and then rice. We bought rice also, 10 kilo of rice. And then omo here, omo. And then softener also, Soflan. And then omo. So guys, so this is what just now we bought using the My Kase, which is given by the government. So 100 each. Those who can receive that My Kase is 18 years old and above. So thank you Kerajaan Malaysia deh. So selamat Hari Merdeka Malaysia. Hello guys, so this is our breakfast for today. Mie sedap goreng deh. Look at that guys. Mantap this one. Hello guys.
Hello.
So now we want to take our breakfast. So lanjut makan.
Nanti tengok TV.
Nanti tengok TV. Kan.
Tengok kartun mau. Oh.
Nanti tengok kartun.
Movie ya pun ada.
Ada. Kartun pun ada.
Video pun ada. Mami lagi video pun ada. Masih ada app. warm.
Mana?
It's not warm.
Get a lot.
Makan dulu, nanti cakap. Amin.
Jangan makan di fronten.
Amin. Makan dulu, nanti cakap.
Lanjut.
Why you cakap dulu? Makan dulu, nanti cakap.
Oke, bos. Bos kecil di sana, guys. Bos kecil di sana.
You? This one is for his mommy.
Person favorite what me?
Ini sedap.
Person favorite is mie sedap, guys. If ada mie goreng, he don't want to eat, guys. He don't want. We try other mie goreng, ah. Ibu mie goreng, dan Rifah mie goreng.
You want already?
He don't want. He only want mie sedap.
Sedap dan yang apa tadi? Yes. Kalau mie.
For it, and me boss.
Ada. Minum dengan kopi lagi, guys. Mantap ini.
Ini dengan Mio dan
Kopi O.
panas dia.
Itu boyfriend, you know. Tengok.
Panas. Panas is hot. Belum semua egg. Ini.
Finish already your egg. Eat together with the me. Eat together with the me.
Iya. Iya kok.
My egg is nice to eat. Mama, that power. Mantap guys. Mama, mantap guys. I like the egg. I like chicken. I don't like veggie.
Hey?
Betul.
But he don't know actually all his food all got vegetables.
Okay guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching
Our video.
video.
Don't forget
Don't forget
to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye everybody.
Protect my toys.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessica JVST. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessica JVST to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.